Widery ERP, powerful ERP software for complete business management. This video demonstrates how to create and manage sales invoices in Widery ERP. From the home page, you can access all modules. Let's select the CRM and sales module to take a closer look at sales operations. Starting with the CRM module. You can enter new inquiry details and manage follow-up entries. Enquiry form can also be linked to your website, Just Dial, or similar platforms as per your requirements. Manage everything from quotation to invoice to sales return, all within the comprehensive sales module. Let's take a look at the sales invoice option in Widery ERP. Select the customer using the search option. The default address and shipping address details will be displayed automatically. If the customer has multiple shipping addresses, choose the appropriate one from the shipping details. Customer details can be shown or hidden by clicking on the toggle option. A sales invoice can be created directly or with reference to a quotation, sales order, pro forma invoice, delivery note, or job order out. Let's explore the direct sales invoice option in Widery ERP, where invoices can be created within seconds. The sales invoice number is auto-generated after saving. Select the customer and add products either by scanning the barcode or searching by product name. In Widery ERP, you can invoice and track products serial-wise and batch-wise for accurate inventory management. Double-click on the quantity to select the sales batch details or serial number. Enter the details as required. The I icon allows the customer to view their previous sales or purchase history, assisting in better decision-making. In the sales invoice form footer, you can enter overall discounts, advance payments, instant payment entries, and more. We provide an approval option with features to data encryption, which helps prevent mishandling of data. The All List option displays a complete list of invoices based on the applied filters. The Action menu provides options to view, print, delete, edit, and check status depending on the applicable conditions. Only unauthorized document can be edited as per requirement. Click on Lock button to authorize the document and save. The View option allows you to check the details without printing, providing a display that is similar to the printed format. The Print option also allows you to export and save the document as a PDF and email the details to the client. We provide a default multiple print formats that complies with GST standards. Widery ERP offers 100+ reports across all modules, which can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Let's look into few reports which helps the sales module. The Reports section displays reports from all modules. Let's focus on the sales report, stock report, statements, and other reports related to the sales module. The stock report options include reports that help track and manage stock details within the company. Statement reports help track customer accounts and monitor transaction details. Other reports help track details such as batch tracking, item serial number history, and more. Apart from the sales and purchase modules, Widery ERP also includes CRM, production, accounts, QA/QC, job order, HRMS, warehouse management, analytics, and more. For more details, subscribe to our channel. Widery ERP. Simplify. Automate. Succeed. Book your free demo today at www.widererp.com or call +917090335533. Thank you for watching.